Hey, what's up guys, FixAlex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace your brake taillights light bulbs on Kia Sportage. So very simple, there is two bolts, Phillips screwdriver, remove those two bolts and then just pull your taillight like this. Remove that connector on the bottom from here and that's it. And just simply twist that connector, push light bulb in, turn it counterclockwise and remove it. The bulb type is 1157. You can use all same you can use same light bulbs for all of your lights, for turn signals or for day running lights. Guys, thank you for watching, join to my channel and see you soon. And this is your reverse. Okay, this is your reverse light bulb and the type is I don't see it, W16W. Okay guys, thank you for watching, bye.